Tony Gilliard here again with your real estate tips with Jay Ingram, your mortgage lender.
How y'all doing today?
So what we'll be discussing on our third topic is student loans, 1 and 3, right? We were just discussing about 1 and 3.
Yes, we said about one. Every other person basically has some student
Pretty
loans.
much all of us, including me, we all have student loans, and that does affect the home buying process. So you have not just professionals, doctors, lawyers, nurses, etc. Everyone has student loans. So when you're dealing with that in the home buying process, it's important to be transparent with your agent, and that all comes out in your buyer consult with your agent, as well as your consultation with your mortgage lender. And you should be able to interview not only your agent but also your mortgage lender to make sure there's a good fit, not just personality wise, know them, like them, trust them, but also be able to fish out the information you need that's relevant to your story in the home buying process, such as student loans and how that is factored into your pre-approval process. Briefly, I had a situation where it was like 2 days before closing and the lender did not even factor in the student loans, and the deal literally was off. Why? Because they never even factored in the student loan. However, the buyer was very transparent about the student loan debt with the lender, but inexperienced, never said a thing, and wanted the client to come up with double for down payment. A disaster.
And that is, you hit a point that is very true. When we see student loans, we ask immediately for the information on that. So this is how student loan affects you, right? So based on credit scores, it determines on what program you can qualify for. Once we determine what program you can qualify for, it really determines the payment that we're going to use for your student loan. For example, on a VA loan, if it's a deferred loan, you can actually have that payment not qualify or not count against you if we can verify that it's deferred for 12 months. Whereas on any other loan, like a conventional loan or FHA loan, these are programs that are available. They just have lower down payments, where a VA loan is 100% financing. Deferment, we can't use deferred payments. So then it goes into, how good your score is. And if your score is in a range of, say, 600 or higher, or 620 or 660, where you maybe qualify for a conventional loan, then we can talk about income-based repayment plans. So the bigger picture here is that if you do have student loans, make sure that you sit down with your lender and ask them questions as to what they can qualify for, or what you can qualify for when it comes to a payment, because there will be a payment that has to be used at some point on those loans, depending on the program that you use. So what I'd suggest to you is that if you have any questions about student loans and how it works when it comes to payments and qualifying, give us a call. Give myself a call, or talk with Tony as well, because she'll have the information too.
And I'll refer you back to.
And she'll refer me back to Jay.
lender.
That's right. That's right. Because the lender will take
stay in
care
my
of that.
lane.
That's
stay in
right.
my lane.
So
we